6:28 in the morning. Went to sleep at 1 a.m. and then I was awoken at 5 a.m. because my dogs, they wanted to go outside and I haven't been able to go to sleep since. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna make breakfast. I really wanted to order a breakfast bagel, but the total was gonna be $25. So I have literally everything here. So let's make a breakfast bagel. To be making a sausage, egg, and cheese bagel. The ingredients are, I'm using these everything bagels, Western bagels, everything bagels. And I'm going to be using this habanero jack cheese. It's so freaking good. I only have like a couple of slices left of it. I have my eggs. And then these right here are these little sausage patties. I really wish they were turkey sausage, but they're maple flavored pork sausage patties. You can get these from Aldi. These are big sausage patties. Like these aren't like the tiny little ones. Like these are actually like sandwich size. So I really, really like these. Let's go. So I really don't know if I want to do a yolky egg or a scrambled egg. I really want to buy some aesthetic cookware. So let me know if you guys like cooking videos, because I really want to buy these pots and pans, but they're like $150. So if I'm not going to be making cooking videos, then there's no point in me spending $150 on pans right now when I already have some. If you guys like these videos, then I'll buy those pans, because like they're cute, like little like white aesthetically pleasing, you know, like in the cooking shows, like the aesthetically pleasing shit. Yeah, you get the vibe. Okay, so we're melting some butter in a pan, and I'm not gonna put any salt and pepper in this right now because I want to give some to the dogs. So I'm gonna salt and pepper mine like after, when I split theirs up, because they can't have any seasonings. They're like following me like crazy, like, where is it? Where's the scrambled eggs? Why am I struggling? I gotta cook this little bagel bun. Update on the eggs, they're nice and fluffy how I like them. Okay, the bagel is that crispy enough? Yeah, I'm gonna say that's pretty good. Okay, our bagel is done. Everything's done. Now let's assemble. Everything I got on a plate right here. Oops. I kind of want to put some cream cheese on one side. I wanted whipped cream cheese. I ordered groceries and I wanted whipped cream cheese, and they're like, we don't have any. I think I'm just gonna put it on one side, and I'm gonna do it on the bottom. Gotta do a nice amount. Cream cheese. We have the sausage patty. Now we have our little portion of the eggs with the cheese. Oh my god, I just burnt my hand. Yum. And then I already portioned off some scrambled eggs for the dogs. I just have to wait for these to cool, and then I'm gonna split them up between them. That looks beautiful. So freaking delicious. I'm trying to be a professional. But like, is the tinfoil gonna get into my sandwich? That's my only concern. But is the tinfoil gonna get into my sandwich? Did the tinfoil get in my sandwich? Oh my god, no it didn't. Okay. Wow. Look at how beautiful and gorgeous that looks. Guys, this looks delicious. Okay. This is what it looks like. The cream cheese is kind of making it slip off. I'm so glad I did not pay $25 to get this delivered because it's so freaking good. The cheese is like oozing out the side. Oh shit. I decided to sit down, guys. Like, does that not look literally so beautiful? Can't get over it. I need to sit down because my stuff keeps falling on the ground. I have not had a breakfast bagel in so long. My sausage keeps slipping off. What are you guys eating for breakfast today? If you're watching this video, comment down below everything that you ate today. Because I'm curious, give me some ideas. Also, do we like these kind of videos? Like, should I do these more often? We need to take some chicken out, so then I think I'm gonna make chicken spaghetti tonight, but I haven't decided. But I need to decide because like, it's 7 a.m. so I'll need to get it in the crock pot. I need to go get some water. That looks so beautiful. Yum. We need to feed the dogs because they're like, feed me, feed me. So feeding them is a very hard and stressful thing to do. They always try to eat each other's scrambled eggs. Feeding 5 of them is really hard. Okay. I need to like cut it up a little bit. I'm cutting it all up. Okay.
Okay, be good. Ready, Keely? Ow, fucker asshole. Norbs, be good. Huckleberry, Huckleberry, get down, Gil.
Ow, see, like they try and eat my fucking hand off. It's so annoying.
Pitchy. The girls are really, really good. Nelly, back up. Chanel. Okay, wait your turn. Gilly. There you go, bud.
See, then they start to do better.
Can't remember who was next. Norby. Huckleberry. Be gentle. Huckleberry, gentle.
That motherfucker wants to literally rip your hands off.
Petchy. Petchy. Right here, mommy. Nelly.
All done. Now we both had breakfast. We're getting dinner prepared. We're getting dinner prepared right now. Okay, we got the crock pot out. We got all the things that we need. We're gonna be making chicken spaghetti. Okay guys, let's assemble. We're gonna spray a little bit of oil. And then we have our chicken breast. I honestly don't know how much this is. I'm thinking that it's like a pound. So I'm kind of just gonna season it with anything. With some onion powder first. Little onion powder moment. This is really good. This roasted garlic and herb. Some paprika. Okay, I'm also going to do a little bit of this because I did this last time. Okay guys, we have to dice up this cream cheese. The last time that I made it, I only used half a block. A lady recommended it was a little too creamy when she used the full block, so I think we're just gonna use half a block as well. We're gonna cut half of it. I'm just gonna kind of chop it up a little bit so then it's, oh my god guys, this is really hard. I got my sister staring at me, so I'm under pressure. Pop in my cream cheese. Now we have to do the cream of chicken. Okay, we have the cream of chicken. I'm going to, this is like a family size, so I'm not going to pour all of it, but a majority of all of it. I'm probably gonna leave like that much in it. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. Very much does not look appetizing at all. I'm letting you guys know there, like if I was to watch this on somebody YouTube video, I would click off the video probably. But I would not be letting you guys down. You guys know that I'm a foodie, okay? It's really freaking good. We're gonna cook it, you guys, high for 4 hours. Okay guys, it is lunchtime. Today we're going to make a sandwich. We're gonna make like a little like turkey melt type of sandwich. Okay, so we're gonna make the turkey bacon first. I'm just going to use this, and then I'm going to just plop it in the microwave. I think we're gonna do about 4 slices because I'm making 2 sandwiches. Like this. Then we're gonna pop this in the microwave for just a couple minutes. This literally like cooks in like 3 minutes. 4 minutes? Last time I cooked it for too long. Okay, we're making like, it's gonna be like grilled or whatever. So we have to like assemble it like a grilled cheese. The bread is a little squashed. I'm gonna put some butter. I'm using this Irish butter. It's really good. Okay, so we're just gonna butter up the bread. I made one of these the other day and it was really delicious, and I haven't had one since. Now we have to close them. Then we're gonna add this cheese. This is really freaking good. Okay guys, so the camera cut off, but what I was saying is this habanero jack cheese is so good. I literally just put 2 little pieces. And then if you guys have never had peppered turkey, life-changing. Literally life-changing. Literally discovered it the last time that I had a sandwich. So good, but I will not. I feel like this is my favorite turkey. Now I like don't want any other turkey because this turkey is so delicious. So I'm gonna put 2 slices on each sandwich. 2 slices. Apply that to the sandwiches. 1 piece. 2 pieces. This is what it's looking like, you guys. It's so delicious. Okay guys, we've got the pan. We're going to put the first sandwich. Oh shit. This was a little toasty, guys. Shouldn't have turned the pan up that high. I'll make this one mine so you can have a non-crispy. Yo, look at that. I mean, she's really toasty. Some people really like it like that. I do sometimes, but I wanted it to be a little bit more lighter. Sandwich is good. This one did not turn out burnt, you guys. Cute. Now we got a cutter. How do you guys cut your sandwiches? Because personally, I think it's more fun to cut a triangle. Oh my god, I blended in the background. What am I gonna do? Some hot Cheetos. I haven't had these in so long. I love these. Yum. Let's see the sandwich. Oh, I didn't cut it through all the way. Yum. I feel like I need some mayo though. I don't know why I didn't put it on before, like think to put it on before. Make sure there's no weird pieces. Okay. A little bit on that piece. Now we gotta open this one. A little bit of Okay, come on, fucker. It around. Oh my god, perfect. Yeah, that actually worked out perfect because now I have leftovers on this side. Let's do another bite now. Yeah. Oh man. What are you guys eating for lunch today? Comment down below. Also, comment me down below some lunch ideas because I feel like it's so easy to find dinner. So easy to find breakfast and stuff, but lunch? What the hell do you eat for lunch besides a sandwich? Or like a chicken quesadilla? I don't even know. You guys, we finally put on some makeup. I got ready so I don't look like a crackhead in this video. But basically the stuff is done. Now I just have to make the spaghetti and then shred the chicken. Then we gotta add the spaghetti and then we gotta add the cheese, let it sit for a little bit. I haven't opened it yet. Let's take a look. This is what it looks like. And we gotta stir everything up. Oh, it wouldn't steamy, okay. Okay guys, we got the water about to be boiled. Now we got the spaghetti noodles. I don't know, I think I'm gonna pour maybe like half-ish, a little over half in here. I don't really know how much to put, to be honest. Okay, we're gonna cook up the spaghetti, then we're gonna add it to the mixture, then we gotta add the cheese, and then it has to like sit there for like 30 minutes or something like that, just like, I guess like all combined, and, you know, like sit together or whatever. So yeah, BRB. Okay guys, so the noodles is done. Now we just have to add it to the mixture. Add all the spaghetti noodles in there. And then we were supposed to also add some cheese. So I'm just gonna give this a little mix. I wanted to add sharp cheddar, but whenever I picked up my groceries, they gave me medium cheddar, but I'm gonna do about like half-ish the bag, I would say. A little over half-ish of the bag. And then we're just going to mix that in. And then we're gonna also wanna cover this just for like about 20 minutes, just so then everything can be all melted and incorporated.
Okay, quiet on set, quiet on set. Gail, quiet on set.
Okay guys, so this is what it looks like all done. It's been sitting for a while because we had to run to the store and go get some garlic bread, but it literally looks and smells so delicious. So we're gonna plate it right now. Okay you guys, we're gonna try the dinner now. I just plated it and I put the garlic bread. We have to go get some garlic bread at the store because the bread that I was originally gonna use just didn't really smell that great. That's what it looks like. I've only ever had this one other time and it was really good. And then I tried to make it on the stovetop one time and it was really bad. So let's see. It came out how it was supposed to. It came out exactly how it was the first time. So creamy. Here we got the little garlic bread. Oh my god. That was really hot. Oh my god. I can't stop eating this.